Freedom Riders is a group of young activists who arranged non-violent demonstrations against race segregation. The name Freedom Riders comes from their method of demonstration. They arranged bus trips from Washington DC, going through Virginia, North and South Carolina, and Alabama. Now I'm in Alabama, and beside me is Catherine from Freedom Riders. Hi, Catherine. Please tell me, what do you do on these bus trips?
Every time the bus stop, we check the facilities to see if they still were segregated, and if they were, we had to demonstrate. So if the bins were for whites, the black people should take a seat.
Thank you. Now I'm in Birmingham, and beside me is Laurits from Freedom Riders. Can you tell me what happened when you came here in Birmingham?
Yes, when we arrived at Birmingham, there was a lot of angry white people waiting on us, and the police said that they had 15 minutes to beat us up. And after we got beaten up, we got dropped off in a country road 150 miles from the nearest town. Yeah, that's what happened.
So you didn't think of the consequences?
Yeah, we did, but it's so important to have equal rights that we didn't care. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm standing here with Jasmine, who would like to tell us about the result of the demonstrations.
After the demonstration, Martin Luther King decided to have an emergency meeting at Baptist Church, where 1,200 people came. The church was attacked with tear gas grenades, and Martin Luther King decided to call the President Kennedy. 3 years after the first freedom ride in 1961, the U.S. Civil Rights Act of 1964 was passed, outlawing segregation in public facilities in all parts of the United States.